The Pantanal is indeed a very special place, one of the largest floodplains in the world. A true paradise for nature lovers and of course bird watchers. This curious Toco Toucan was watching people having breakfast and therefore reversing the roles. Papayas left from the breakfast were a treat to these chestnut-eared Aracaris. People are really friendly with the birds around here, which made this yellow-billed cardinal very confident. By the rivers and ponds, it's easy to spot Piping-guans. These are large frugivorous birds that inhabit the forest canopy. One of the most wanted birds in Pantanal is easily found due to its large size and very loud voice. Yes, this is the largest of all parrots that I'm talking about. The Hyacinth Macaw is frequently on the ground looking for its favorite food, the nuts of acuri palms. It preferred the nuts already peeled by the intestines of cattle. What a lazy bird! Come to Pantanal and let your jaw drop.